Okay, jersey number 5, Dublak Dak. Tugrito, tubilang 2 point. Pass ay jersey number 19. Tubilang 3 points. Wala. O yung bola lang sa jersey number 77. Okay. Jersey number 21. Pass ay jersey number of Patrullas. Pass ay jersey number 31. Tubilang 2 point. Yes, sir. Meron pang counted foul. Who's fouled it? 5 minutes on stopwatch. Okay, 1 point jersey number 20. Okay, pass ay jersey number 19. Si Mario. Okay, si Mario. Tumalak dak. Pass ay jersey number 05. 05. Oh, wala pang pasahan si Vilyasan. Pass ay jersey number 30. Tumalak 3 point. Wala. Loose ball. Bomb by jersey number 21. Pass ay jersey number 71. Ayan, 71. Pass ay 21. Oh, loose ball. Ang bola nasa tagumpay. Inbound by jersey number 30. Ayan. Pass ay kay Mario. Jersey number 19. 19. Wala pang pasahan jersey number 19. Ayan. Ang nagkawala jersey number 11. Pass ay kay 18. Oh, tuwian 2 point. Wala. Okay, pass ay kay jersey number. Who's fouled it? Jersey number 19. 1 personal foul. Okay, pass ay kay jersey number 71. Okay, 71, dumalakdak. Ayan, muntik na nagagawa ng jersey 19. Walang pasahan jersey number 21. Ayan. Pasa kay jersey number 21 ng bola. Dumarito. Oh! Wala. Nakuha si Mario. Okay, jersey number 11. Last 3 minutes and 24 seconds. And once again, last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So we have 3 points, jersey number 11. 2 points. Wala. Okay, nagawa ng jersey number 21. Malapagpasa ang pass ng jersey number 20. Okay, jersey number 05. Tingnan po natin kung masyat ba ang dalawang Petro ni jersey number 20. Ayan, first Petro wala. Jersey number 20, Arindai. Score 3-0. And once again, score 3-0 in favor of Contract. Ayan, 1 point, jersey number 20. Okay, jersey number 19. Walang bola. Okay, loose ball, jersey number 19. Okay, ang bola na jersey number 71. Ayan, jersey number 71. Ayan, Dubrito. Oh, pasa kay. Okay, loose ball, jersey number 30. 14 shot clock. Down to 10 shot clock. Okay, Team Mario. Team Mario, jersey number 19. Dubrito. Oh, nagawa na jersey number 11. Ayan, jersey 11. Pass lang kay 71. Walang tao. Yes, sir. Ay, wala. Ayan. Kaya na shoot. Ayan, jersey number 05. Team Mario. Pass kay jersey number 05. Dubrito. Yes. Who's spotted? Itaas ang kamay. Jersey number 71. 1 personal foul. Last 2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining for the first quarter. And atong oras, last 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining for the first quarter. 14 to shoot, shot clock. Ang nabili. Ayan, wala. Okay. Nakikita ang bola, jersey number 20. Ang 05. Yes, sir. Okay. Si Macalonas. Okay, Unsan. Unsan, jersey number 21. Dumarito. Oh, pasa ka jersey number 20. Wala. Okay. Okay, stepping up the line. Jersey number 21. Unsan. And last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And once again, last 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Team Mario, jersey number 19. Team Mario. Ayan, kung nagbasahan. Pasa ka jersey number 18. Balik ka Team Mario. Dumarito, tumilan 2 points. Yes, sir. Team Mario, jersey 19. 2 points. Okay, ang bola. Nasa contract. Ayan, jersey number 71. Okay, pasa ka jersey number 21. Unsad, dumiretso tumilang 2 points. Wala. Okay, ang bola karon. Wala pa rin. Ayan, kaya mo sa contract. Wala pa rin. Okay, Malina. Yes, sir. Time out, ref. Time out. Involved by jersey number 71. Okay, ang bola nasa contract. Jersey number 20. Ayan. Okay, jersey number 71. Jersey number 71. Up. Nakuha ni jersey number 5. 20. Malinaw. Di Mario 2 points. Wala. Okay, ang bola na nasa contract. Jersey number 71. Off the Bricho. Wow. Wala. Ayan ang bola. Off jersey number 05. Ayan. Okay. Ang araw. Okay, ang bola nasa contract pa rin. Okay, ang bola jersey number 27. Pasa kay jersey number 05. Ayan, agawan. Up, Di Mario. Score, 4-4. Okay, ang bola 05. Wala. Yes, sir, 2 points. Jersey number 30. Ayan, pasa kay jersey number 71. Seconds to play. And once again, seconds to play. 50. And 45. Last 45 seconds. And once again, last 45 seconds. Last 40. Okay. Di Mario. Okay, down to 10. 9. Yes, sir, 2 points, jersey number 27. Last 28 seconds. And once again, last 25 seconds. Last 25. Down to 20. Wala. Yes, sir, 2 points, jersey number 8. Who spotted? It doesn't come by.
Oy! Tulo na, Faustino! 21!
Unsad, jersey number 21. Same one for graduate. And once again, jersey number 21. Unsad, same one for graduate. 3 personal foul. Atong oras na bilhin. Last 15 seconds. And once again, atong oras na bilhin. Last 15 seconds. Score 9-8. You want to combine. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, last 2 seconds. And once again, last 2 seconds. 2. Time, ref. Wala si Mario. Wala. Pasa kay jersey number 8. Ayan, jersey number 8. Pasa kay 71. Dumiretso. Yes, wala. Okay, ang bola. Ayan, nakuha ni 0-1. Wala pa rin. 15 shoot. Okay, ang bola. Jersey number 71. Wala. Ano na yun? Ayan, ang bola. Nasa Paraguay. Jersey number 05. Okay. It's Bishop Black. Ayan, jersey number 7, 3 points. Yes, sir. Jersey number 08, 3 points. Okay, ang bola, jersey number 20. Ayan, mga nagpasan, jersey number 20. Pasa kay jersey number 8. Ayan, dumiretso. Oh! Yes, sir. 2 points, jersey number 20. Ayan, si Mario, jersey number 19. Umatang pasang pasay malinaw. Okay, dumiretso. Okay, loose ball. Okay, jersey number 18. Pasa kay Mario. Pasa kay 05. Yes, sir. Jersey number 05. 3 points. Okay, ang bola. Nasa contract, jersey number 71. Dumalakdak. Ayan, dumiretso. Oh, pasa jersey number 20. Ayan, bagol. Jersey number 18. Wow! Dalawang Pedro si jersey number 20. Tingnan po natin mga kapamilya. Ma-shoot ang dalawang Pedro. Wow, Pedro, wala. Ayan, last one. Last Pedro, jersey number 20. Score 16-10 in favor of Tagumpay. And once again mga kapamilya, itong score 16-10 in favor of Tagumpay. Okay, jersey number 05, pasa kay Mario, jersey number 19. Mario, Domenico, wow! Wala! Okay, ang bola pa rin. Nasa Tagumpay, jersey number 08, Domenico, tumalang 2 points. Wala pa rin. Ayan, jersey number 20. Ayan, nagdali si jersey number 20, Domenico. Pasa ang jersey. Okay, low spot. Ang bola nasa kontra. And a score 16-11. And once again, a score 16-11 in favor of Tagumpay. Oh, jersey number 18, pasa kay Di Mario. Di Mario, ayan, Di Mario, nagplano. Ayan, jersey number 19, matagpasahan. Pasa kay jersey number 05. Ayan, Vilyasan. 15 shot clock. Down to 10. Who's scored it? Sabre. Okay. Isulod ang isulod. Okay, last 14 to shoot shot clock. Ayan mga pamilya, last 14 shot clock. Shot. Ayan, jersey number 18, 2 personal foul. Okay, jersey number 21 inbound. Okay, pasa jersey number 20. Ayan, nagtanong, pasa kay Unsan. Wala. Okay, nakuha. Nakuha na jersey number 18. Ayan, jersey number 18. Up. Wala. Okay, malinaw. Pasa kay jersey number 05. Nakuha kay Di Mario. Di Mario. Oh, pasa kay jersey number 11. Yes, sir. 2 points, jersey number 11. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And once again, score 21-11. Jersey number 11 foul. 1 point jersey number 71. Batulano. Now split jersey number 71. Batulano. Yes, sir. 2 points. Ayan, malinaw. Jersey number 18. Pasa kay Di Mario. Ayan, Di Mario, jersey number 19. Matagabasahan. Ayan. Pasa kay jersey number 05. Tumaricho. Pasa kay 08. Yes, sir. 2 points. Jersey number 08. Iraldes. Fernandez. Jersey number 08. Okay, jersey number 71. Pasa kay Sawan. Pasa kay jersey number. Tumiran 3 points. Okay. One point Unsa. 8 inbound. Unang pasahan. Pasa kay jersey number 20. Domenico. Yes. Wala. Okay, jersey number 20 pa yung bola. Domenico. Wala pa rin. Ayan. 5. Down to 10 shot clock. Down to 10. 7. 5. 4. Yes, sir. Wala. Okay, malinaw. Jersey number 18. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay, down to 15 shot clock. And once again, down to them 15 shot clock. Down to 10. Pasa kay Mario, tumiran 3 points. Yes sir, 3 point jersey number 19 in Mario. Seconds to play. And once again, seconds to play. Who's got it? Jersey number 75. Once again, wonderful penalty. Tagumpay. Okay, atong oras, last 57 seconds. And once again, atong oras na bilin, last 57 seconds remaining for second quarter. Okay, jersey number 71. Tumihan 2 point, yes sir. 2 point jersey number 71.
Bantay, oy!
Ayan ang bola. Team Mario, jersey number 11.
Oy, graduate!
Last 50 seconds. And once again, last 50 seconds. 35. Down to 10 shot clock. 40. And 35 seconds. Okay, mga kapatid, last 35 seconds remaining for the second quarter. Okay, jersey number 21. 71. Okay, dumiritso. Pasa kay Unsan. Tumiran. Wala. Last 25 seconds. 20. 15 seconds. And once again, last 15 seconds. 10. 9 seconds. And once again, mga pamilya, atong oras na bilin. Last 9 seconds. And once again, 9 seconds remaining for second quarter. Yes, sir. Jersey number 7. Hey. Bye. Oh, yung bola. Jersey number 17. 71. Okay, loose ball. Jersey number 20. Oh, yung bola. Nasa tagumpay. Pasa kay jersey number 08. Fernandez. Pasa kay... Okay, Team Mario. Pasa kay jersey number 05. Mario jersey tumiran 3 points. Wala. Okay, muntik na yun ah. Okay, jersey number 20. Umanta mapasa. Pasa kay 51. Dumiritso. Oh! Yes, sir. 2 point jersey number 51. Gulam. Ayan, bago lang pong pasok yan ha. Nag-score agad si Gulam. 1 point jersey. Okay, Team Mario. Wala. Pasa kay nakuha ng bola jersey number 20. Pasa kay 71. Ayan. Okay, atong score 19 and 28. Okay, ang bola. Nakuha ni jersey number 20. Okay, number 20 dumiritso. Pasa kay 71. Oh! Bola. Wala. Nakuha ni Team Mario. Ayan, Team Mario. Team Mario, walang tao. Dumiritso. Yes, sir. 2 point jersey number 19. Team Mario. And the score 13-19. And once again, 13-19 in favor of Tagumpay. Gulam. Okay, time out. 55 seconds from the third quarter. And once again, the oras last 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Okay, down to 10 shot clock. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2. Wala. Okay, ang bola nasa Tagumpay. Out contract. Okay, ang bola jersey number 17. Okay, jersey number 71. Ayan. Who's for it? 11. Team Mario. Jersey number 11. Okay, hintaw by jersey number 21, Unsad. Okay, humatak pa sa pasa kay Gulam, jersey number 51. Pasa kay jersey number 71. Ayan. Ay, Unsan, tumira ng 2 points. Wala. Okay, kulang pa rin ng bola. Ayan, Unsan. Oh. Okay, 20. Okay, ang bola. Jersey number 18, Malinaw. Pasa kay Jersey 11. Nakuha na Jersey 51. Gulam. Ayan. Okay, pasa kay Timario. Wow! Ano? Ayan, pasa kay Jersey number 71. Okay, Jersey number 71. Ayan, wow! Ayan, walang tao! Whoop! Yes, sir! 2-point Jersey number 71. Okay, last 3 minutes. Okay, Fernandez. Pasa kay Malinaw. Okay, Fernandez, Jersey number 08. Ayan. Okay, down to 10 shot clock. And once again, down to 10. Okay, Gulam. Okay, Gulam. Jersey number 51. Tumericho. Ayan, Tumericho. Yes, sir. May kasamang foul pa. 21 to the 7. Ayan. Pinigil ang duwang Petro si Villason. Ay, wala dahil. Okay. From a jersey number. Okay, pasa kay Jersey ng Villason. Pasa kay Malinaw. Jersey number 18. Ayan, Jersey number 18. Puntang pasahan. Hop. Okay, who's for it? Jersey number 18. Warning, semi warning. And once again, jersey number 18, tatlo na po ang foul mo, Mr. Malinaw. And once again, jersey number 18, Malinaw, tatlo na po ang foul nyo. At jersey number 21, wonderful gambit. Unsan. And last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. And once again, last 2 minutes. The score 30-23. And once again, 15 shot clock. And down to 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes, sir, 2-point jersey number 75. Last 1 minute and 57 seconds. Okay, Jersey, Gulam. Okay, pasa Jersey number 27. Tumira 2 points, wala. Okay, ang bola, Jersey number 08. Okay, pasa Malinaw, Jersey. Okay, Timario. Pasa kay Timario. Kung pasa kay Villason. Pasa kay Fernandez. Timario. Wow! Down to 10 shot na. Okay, ang bola, Jersey number 11. Okay, down to 10 shot na. Okay, Villason. Pasa kay Timario. Okay, Timario. Okay. California 12-3 in favor of Tagumpay. Okay, wala. Okay, ang bola. Jersey number 71. Counted? Not counted.
Bukots.
Oh, Timario. Jersey number 19, Timario. Truck. Okay, last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Seconds to play. Timario. And 55. Down to 10 shot left. Ayan, 50 seconds. Yes, sir. Jersey number 30. Last 45 seconds. Last 45 seconds. And 40. 40 seconds. Down to 10 shots left. Down to 10. Arindain. Okay, last 32 seconds remaining for the third quarter. And once again, oras mga pamilya, mga puso, mga kapatid. Last 32 seconds. Ayan, Arindain, 2 points, jersey number 20. Timario. Last 30 seconds. And 25. 20. Down to 10, shot clock.
Naka-score si Kuya Araan.
Down to 10 seconds.
38 na to.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. For the third quarter. Okay, George number 19, Di Mario. Down to 15, shot clock. Wala. Okay. Di Mario, George number 11. Wala. Okay, George number 71. Okay, mga kapamilya, dito last quarter. Fourth quarter na po, mga kapamilya. Ayan. Okay, Di Mario, George number 19. Pasa kay Malinaw. Okay, Malinaw, 15 shot clock. And down to 10. Okay, Malinaw, jersey number 18, pasa kay Di Mario. Okay, pasa kay Di Mario. Hop. Okay, 14 shot clock. And down to 10. And 9, 8, 7. Okay. Hands for jersey number 01. Ayan, binigyan ng Petro si Di Mario, jersey number 19. Ayan, tingnan po natin mga kapamilya kung makumpleto po ang dalawang Petro ni jersey number 19. Okay, 14 shot clock mga kapamilya. Okay, 14 shot clock. Ayan. Jersey number 7 Fernandez. Okay, ang bulag niya po last tagumpay. Okay, jersey number 8, Agawan. Ayan, nakuha ni Di Mario. Di Mario, jersey number 19. Ayan, pumunta kumasahan. Di Mario. Asa kay Malinaw, jersey number 18. Oh, nagawa ni jersey number 20. Ayan. Okay, jersey number 19 foul. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, nagawa ni Mario. In Mario. Yes, sir. Jersey number 19. In Mario. Okay, ang bola, jersey number 27. Pasa ka jersey number 8. Oh, 2 minutes. Oh, wala. Okay, Malinaw, jersey number 18. Pasa ka Di Mario. Jersey number 18, Di Mario. Okay, last 3 minutes. And once again, last 3 minutes and 17 seconds. 15 shot clock. And down to 10 shot clock. Down to 10. Okay, ang bola, Di Mario. Pasa kay 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Wala. Okay, ang bola. Nakakang Malinaw. Nakuha ni 20. 20. Walang tao. Yes, sir. 2 point. Time out, drop. Okay, last 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Jersey number 30. Ayan. Okay, ang bola. Nasa tagumpay ang bola, mga pamilya. Ayan. Oh, dandanan po. Mr. Jersey number 51. Pasa ka jersey number 71. Dumarito. Oh, nice assist. Ayan. Okay. Kaya po ng bola sa contract. Jersey number 27. Pasa kay Gulam. Down to 10. Shot clock. Wala. Fernandez. Montañez. Okay, mga kapamilya, ito oras na bilhin. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So once again, last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Remaining from fourth quarter. Score 31 and 39. In favor of Tagumpay. 32. Okay, ang bola, Malinaw. Pasa kay jersey number 20, Agawan. Okay. Hop. Okay, traveling wild. Okay, ang bola. Nasa Tagumpay. Pasa kay jersey number 05. Ayan. Okay, ang bola, jersey number 30. Hop! Pumatak pa saan? Okay, last 2 minutes and 9 seconds. And once again, last 2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining for the last quarter. Okay, ang bola, jersey number 71. Ayan, jersey number 71. Ayan, Tumiricho, tumilan 2 points. Wala. Okay, hop! Nakuha ni Gulam. Gulam. Who's got it? From Daniels, jersey number 30.
Huwag kayo sakit gunitan ang gamot. Ayaw gunitin ka mo, di ba kamulitan na?
1 point, jersey number 51, Gulam.
Sabog-sabog na mo. Ingat ha.
Okay, 1 point. Okay, Sawa. Number 20. Ayan, jersey number 71. Okay. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Lalagyan na round. Pasa kay Sawa. Okay, sayang gano'n sa bilhin. Last 1 minute and 47 seconds. Okay, malinaw. Jersey number 18. Ayan. Okay. Down to 15 shot clock. Okay. Pasa kay. Okay, jersey number 71. Penalty sa matag team. Okay, last 1 minute and 35 seconds. And once again, last 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining for the fourth quarter.
Oh, score! Score!
Score. Okay, jersey number 71, Dobricho. Wala. Okay, sayang. Okay, that was to be last 1 minute and 27 seconds. Last 1 minute and 27 seconds remaining for the last quarter. Okay, Fernandez 2.0 foul. Okay, 1 point, jersey number 71. Okay, down to 15 shot clock. Ayan, 2 point, jersey number 30. Ayan, last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Okay, jersey number. Who's got it? Jersey number 19, Timari. Atong oras na bilhin mga kapamilya, last 1 minute and 13 seconds. And once again mga kapamilya, na bilhin ang oras, last 1 minute and 13 seconds remaining for the last quarter. Okay, wala. Okay, ang bola. Nasa tagumpay. Okay. Who's got it? Jersey number 51, Gulam. Gulam, wonderful graduate. Apat na po ang foul mo, Mr. Gulam. Ayan, once again, jersey number 51, wonderful graduate. Okay, tingnan po natin si 05 kung masyad ang Las Petro. Villasan. Las Petro. Yes, sir. Sumigaw ang kanyang asawa, mga pamilya. Bayaw. Okay, jersey number 51. Ayan. Something around. Oh. Okay, who's got it? Okay, jersey number 11. Kasama na po yan. Ayan, kaupa lang sila. Okay, who's full it? And now this is the last quarter. For the last quarter. Okay, jersey number 18. Balina. I am passing a jersey number 20. Yes, sir. 2 point jersey number 30. Seconds to play. You know what again? Seconds to play. Okay, 50 seconds. Okay, last 50 seconds. And once again, and 45. Jersey number 55. Graduate ka na, Mr. Kulam. Nagang salamat sa iyong pagdula. And nasunod kayo. And once again, 44 seconds from the last quarter.
Cái sao ra? Ai ơi. Mày cũng phải đi ạ.
And the score 46 and 36. And once again 46 and 36 in favor of goodbye 40. Okay, once again prepare next team Nangalit versus Purok Dus. And once again prepare next team Nangalit versus Purok Dus. 35. 2 points. Okay, last 34 seconds. Okay, jersey number 11. And the score 47 and 40. Ayan, tignan po natin mga pamilya kung makompleto po ang Petro ni jersey number 08 Fernandez. Ayan, last Petro Fernandez. And the score 47 and 40 in favor of Tagumpay. Yes sir, kompleto po ang Petro jersey number 08 Fernandez. Okay, ang pula naghapon last 32 seconds from men for the last quarter. And once again, and 25. Okay, last 22. Okay. 2 seconds from men for the last quarter. Okay, 15 seconds. Wow! Wala! Wow! Wala pa rin! Wala pa rin! Ano na yun? Okay, oras na mga pamilya. 11 seconds. 11 seconds. And once again, out of the score mga kapamilya, 48 and 42. And once again, 42 and 48. Yes sir, jersey number 71. Last 10. Yes sir, 1 point, jersey number 18, Malina. Okay, kung gusto mapilihan ng team, mo fight for third. Okay, di sa mga ulit, itulao ng fight for third mga kapamilya. Ayan mga pamilya, ito oras na bilhin. Last 7 seconds. Kaya nga programa siya ito yung foul event. Walang out sa foul. Okay, 4, 3. Okay, last one.